going to break into our cooperative learning groups, just like we did yesterday. And so we are taking concepts from our last unit, and you are reteaching. We've got experts, and you're reteaching some of your peers some of those concepts so that we can gain mastery in those before moving on. I want to review with you a few steps before I break you into your groups today. What you will be practicing is finding those direct and indirect objects, okay? Will I ever have a direct object or an indirect object in a prepositional phrase? No. Never. So one step is to cross out your prep phrases. No prep phrases, okay? All right. So after you've crossed out prep phrases, then of course you're going to find the verb in your sentence. These will all be action verbs, right? And so, like in this one, if I said, and I know this is an elementary sentence, but you get the idea. The girl threw the ball, all right? You find your verb. When you find your verb, you're going to ask what two questions?
Who or what?
Whom or what? So the girl threw what?
Ball.
And so ball is your direct object. Thank you. Awesome. Because I know this is my action verb here. Alright? What if I had, same thing, the girl threw Susie the ball. So, woo! Lord have mercy.
Yeah, you do the same thing on the top one.
Woo!
The girl threw the ball.
Y'all gotta tell me that. That's what happens when I talk and I write. Let's see. The girl threw Susie the ball. Elementary sentence, but I do have a direct and an indirect object. And so I find my verb. I go through these same steps, right? Do I have an action verb?
Yes.
For sure. The girl threw. So threw. What did she throw?
Oh.
So that's gonna be
have-
low, right?
You have to find that direct object first. Okay? And Susie, so you ask to whom or for whom, and that gives you your indirect object, okay? Y'all ready to do your groups? Okay. Today, you've got a front and a back, so this may take a little longer than it did yesterday. My experts. Ms. Courtney, if you'll give everybody a copy of this while I give, identify my experts, that would be wonderful.
This is the one I'm
Is it? Okay. With reading, we good? All right, guys. I should have 6 experts. Experts, hold up your sticks so that I can see I got my numbers correct.
I think she did.
Right here. Thank you. Swap with me. Okay. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. With Miss Courtney, I want you to work with Miss Daphne today. Slade, I want you to please work with Cameron. Braden, I want you to work with Darren. Ashley, please work with Emily and with Paige. And Brianna, please work with Selena and Callista.
Come on, you guys.
Zach, did I assign you? Zach, work with this. Okay? So does everyone know your cooperative learning groups? Okay? Quietly move to your groups.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Wait, go ahead again. You may move desks. Make sure you've got an expert in your group. You've got your handout, and you've got the materials
need
Wait,
to do the same
can you
thing I
come
did
check and make sure
yesterday.
I'm doing this right?
Alright, so find the direct object, all you gotta do is find the direct.
So actually move closely.
And so number one.
Yeah, right now.
Alright, what do they say?
The neighbors.
And I'm gonna do the same thing I did yesterday, I'm just gonna let you try the first one and see what you're struggling with. So first of all, I'll set your preposition phrases.
Gave what?
On
Yes.
the block.
Give discernment. A love is
Mark that out,
a,
so nothing in that sentence.
love is a.
What's the subject?
Or it's just describing. What is that?
What they, what,
Number three, what's the verb?
Alright,
What they do.
remember, experts, you're not giving answers or just, telling the person how, talk through the process.
What is your direct
What
object?
she did.
Who?
What he did.
Okay, so
Alright, number
Okay.
what, who is the subject?
Sister
Number two.
is Ida,
Sir.
and
So what did she do?
wait,
So she gave. What did she do?
There's fun, sir.
Yeah. You direct on the back.
So who's subject to this sentence?
What did they do?
Oh, yeah.
So what did Ethan do?
For right here, this one, she would be the deal right here.
So what did he give?
Tickets.
Well, he gave her tickets.
Amber.
And then two, the hockey game would be a professional race. So.
On the direction, it just says mark the director on the green.
Indirect.
If it's the subject.
Library would be,
So that's your
Are there some on there?
And then what did he serve?
Ooh, like on number 4?
So do we have to call that too?
Cooperative learning groups, pause, look at me. Y'all are doing a fabulous job. I'm hearing great dialogue from each group. The instructions on the front tell you to only find direct objects.
Right.
I've noticed that some of them actually have an indirect.
A couple of them.
You guys are smart enough, let's go a step further. Look at number 2, for example. What is my direct object? Okay? And so to whom was that necklace given?
Sister.
So mark your IO if it has one, okay?
On number 3, Ethan gave
On number
tickets.
4,
Who did he give those tickets to?
Joseph served the children their dinner.
So that's your eye.
Who did he serve the dinner to? Yes.
Joseph just served the eye. Who did he serve the dinner?
Absolutely.
You're right.
Timothy cannot own Timothy is the subject.
What's
Timothy's
the
subject.
indirect?
What does he do? He is
Let's go through the
There's your action.
What's the direct?
So he can't loan me what
It would be the Lego set.
So whose pen
So
is
it'd be
it?
the set. Lego would be
Well,
the.
whose pen is it?
You got it, girl. You got it.
His. So his pen. So try number 6.
Yeah, but
Students as the subject, what did they do?
And what did
So they
he
found what?
give?
That'd be my deal, right? Wait, no.
No, it's the new library.
It's quite, it's quite.
Is there an indirect?
but so what is
It's new to be described in
Charles
the
left.
library.
His-
A descriptive word, technology.
Right.
So whose
What did he
technology
do?
is it?
And he is
Alright, so that gives
The library. So that's the I.
to who was that autograph given? To Lord, and so Lord would be that.
Okay.
So it's always gonna be that one, so BID. BID.
So I, so that he gave my.
No.
So what's the,
Direct object. Cars, cause cars would be a.
Yeah.
There's always one of those preps, gotta cross it out.
Cross it.
Anytime, and you could go through your expense and look for, and mark it out, or for.
Just set.
So that was just you, Brian brought me a.
So who's the, what's the IO?
Then I think number 3.
Who did he give the set to?
I didn't.